Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabi. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to make ice cream without an ice cream maker. Couple years ago I made some recipes using the ice cream maker, and today I'm gonna show you how to do it without. I made a chocolate ice cream recipe and I'm gonna leave the ingredients on the description box. I drew away 4 egg yolks membrane, added 150 grams of caster sugar, grams of cocoa powder, whisked together and reserved. I placed 60 grams of whole milk powder, 300 milliliters of whole milk, milliliters of double cream, and heated. Poured little by little onto the egg yolks and stirred all the time. I added 100 grams of dark chocolate, returned the mixture to the saucepan and cooked until to thicken. I left until cold and added 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. I placed ice cubes, sea salt, and mix it until being creamy. I left in the freezer until the following day. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!